everyone, it's Becca. I'm going to make a layout with you guys today. This layout is going to be a tea themed layout. I've been drinking a lot of tea lately, so I thought I would do a whole layout, picture of me with drinking some tea and another little picture of just some of the tea that I've been loving. So this is my layout. Now the colors that you see are not at all the colors that I'm using. I just like to group my images together with all the same color. So this whole flower I made all red, so it will all show up on the same mat so that I can move it around all on the same mat and put the colors I want. Same with the teacups and the teapot and everything. So I just try and make things exact same color. So then, yeah, it's just a lot easier for me. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut this out using my Cricut Explorer, and then we'll go ahead and put everything together. I thought I would show you what I'm talking about. So by making all of this tea cup set blue, I'm able to move them all around the mat like this, and they'll do it all in one cut. And then I can just put my papers where I want. And I did the same thing with these, and the teapot as well, so they're all separated. But if you look at one, like, if I go over to the flowers here where I didn't do this, you see I've got these flowers here and these flowers here. So if I want to cut these at the same time, I'm going to have to move these ones down to the bottom. And I'm still going to have to load and unload my mat when I go to cut these. So that's what I mean by making them, if I leave them as separate colors, this is what they'll show up as every single individual layer. But when I leave them all together, make them all one color, then I can put my colored paper on and it will all cut on one mat. So I have my paper all loaded for my first cut, and I'm just going to go ahead and press the go button right here. And it's just going to go ahead and start cutting everything for me. So I finished cutting out all my pieces, and now I'm ready to get started putting everything together. So the paper I'm just using some pink paper here, and it is just from my stash. I got it from Michael's. That's pretty much where all of my paper comes from, is Michael's. And then the pattern polka dot paper is, again, the Wild Asparagus by My Mind's Eye. I've been using this paper pack for everything lately. I just absolutely love it. So that's where the paper is from. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I have a couple photo mats. I have this one here, and it's going to go up in the corner. And then I have this one here, which I kind of want to do like a tuck it in just a little bit and put that there. And then I kind of did a mix between soft colors and bold colors. So the teapot here I used bold colors, and the teapot's going to go right there. And then right here is where I'm going to put my teacups, which I think is so cute. I really like how the teacups look. So those are going to go there. And then I cut out my lovely tea sentiment. So the L cut out separately. And then the rest of the word is here. Everything has been inked with tea dye distress ink, which is, so this is a layout about tea, but yeah, so this is the ink that I use for everything. And then the tea is right here. So I'll put that a little higher. And then for the tea, I wanted to kind of embellish the word. So that's going to go like that. And then this one will go right up here in the corner. And that's pretty much my layout. I'm going to add a little bit of bling. And then I have to get some photos, but I don't have any photos yet for this layout. I know what photos I want to take, so then I'll take them and then print them off with my selfie. And then I'll put them on. But besides that, I'll just leave, make sure that I don't adhere the top part of that. but I'll get everything else put on and then we'll come back and take a look. So I finished my layout. I didn't really add too much, just some sparkles and some pearls. The pearls that I used are these mini pearls from Doodlebug Designs. They're really, really cute. I bought a whole bunch of these from CC Designs rubber stamps in all the different colors. So I used the 2 pink colors. And then I popped up the flowers and the teapot and the teacups. And when I pop things up, this is just some foam that you can get like in the kids section at Michael's. And then on the back it's adhesive. And then on the front I just used some Tombow Mono multi-glue, so I can just cut it out to whatever size I want. And you can get like a whole stack of these for like $3 or so. So that's what I used on my layouts, and it also doesn't give it a huge amount of dimension, just that little extra something. And then with this, I only adhered the very bottom down because I still have to get my picture in there. And then I used glitter glue. I just used the Studio G glitter glue, nothing really special. But I added some glitter to the teacups and to the teapot, and some glitter to the flowers and the words, and then I put glitter inside here. And then I also used little rhinestones for the centers of all of my flowers. And that's really all I did, and I really love how it turned out. I can't wait to get some pictures in here and then put this in my album. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.